Hi everyone. Before I start presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Mega Cahaya and I'm from 1D English for Business and Professional Communication, and I will start the presentation. Background. Lupis is food traditional Japanese style. Lupis is popular with people from all walks of life, including children, teenagers, and adults. As time goes by, lupis began to be replaced by snack from abroad. So, with that you create the leads, lupis variant which is suitable to be used and an alternative for people who have celebration, and of course with larger portion and attractive plating. Executive summary. Tulis or Tumpang Lupis by Lupis Legit is an innovation carried out by the owner to provide the leads alternative for the community, especially Malang resident who have celebration event and are bored with tumpang rice and want to add variation of tumpang to their event to make it look more attractive. Tulis, the production owner himself, with there is a mixture of fruit and vegetables as natural coloring, which is guaranteed to be healthier, with the culinary innovation of traditional snacks consisting of horok-horok, uram-uram, sawut, cenil, and ongol-ongol. Lupis itself look more varied and not easily boring. This business is a home industry-based business which is then promoted directly in Tanggulunan Hamlet or via social media. All products will be sold, which will also sell lupis retail starting from 7,000. The natural coloring which use makes this lupis snack different are more unique and healthier. Tumpang lupis by Lupis Legit is a type of cake that is very suitable for use as snack or heavy meal because it is made from sticky rice flour and tapioca flour, which are rich in carbohydrate. Tumpang lupis is very suitable for celebration or social gathering because the portions are larger from the retail portion. Apart from that, tumpang lupis by Lupis Legit can be used as a dessert to start or finish the main meal. Acknowledgement of the problem. Provision of materials and tools. Of course, in the sales process, author may experience difficulties, especially in getting quality materials and tools for the clean lines and clarity of the product, especially in getting supplier who provide the materials the author needs to make this product. Fund required to run a business. Of course, in running a business, the fund needed and spent are not small, and a strategy is needed that can help the author achieve his goal, and this one of the obstacle the author focus in running his business. Providing and renting sales premises. There are many factors that need to be considered when setting up a business, one of which is a strategic location so that customer can easily reach it. Time availability. Punctuality can be an obstacle in running a business. Moreover, the author still cannot determine the right time to run this business. Continue to innovate. Innovation is one of the most important things in maintaining a product so that it can compete with other competitors. Moreover, innovation is not only about attractiveness, but must also be able to create new flavors that suit people's taste buds. Proposed solution. Provision of materials and tools by looking for suppliers who provide high quality materials and tools and have proven with certification that these materials and tools are of good quality. Funds required to run a business by establishing collaboration or looking for sponsor to obtain investment assistance, which will later be used as business capital. Providing a sales location by conducting surveys in various places that are considered strategic. Time availability. Because the owner is an active student who spends most of his time studying and doing a segment, usually the owner gets around this by looking for gaps or break every day. The owner will look for time to sell either on weekdays or weekends. Continue to innovate by continuing to update the Lupis recipe itself. One example is using fruit juice or vegetable juice as a natural color used in process of making Lupis. Deliverable via online food taxis. By editing or registering our products on the online food taxi platform. Through a consignment service, the endorsement service referred to here is a reseller who resells our product at a higher price than the price we offer. Via cash on delivery system, the customer and owner meet at the predetermined place and later payment will be made at the place. Second, home delivery, namely by delivering customers' orders directly to the customer's home. Timeline. Market research. It takes about 1 week to conduct research on traditional food trends and preference for Lupis. Business plan creation. It takes about 1 week to create a business plan that includes product details, marketing strategy, SWOT analysis, and finance. Location research. It takes about 1 to 2 weeks to look for or survey strategic location to sell a Lupis. A good location can increase business visibility and accessibility. Purchase of equipment and raw materials. It takes about 1 week to buy the necessary equipment such as point, stove, and raw materials to make Lupis. Product testing, conduct service evaluation, and purpose of equipment and raw materials. Owner takes 1 week to prepare. These are the financial costs and operational costs that owner need to run a Lupis business. Company information. The Tumpang Lupis business was founded by Mega Cahyaningsih as the owner. This business operates in the F&B sector, which is involved in traditional snack typical of East Java. This business is at home industry with its address at Tonglunan Hamlet. With company number and admin number, namely 085784164237. Accept orders for Tumpang Lupis both online and also offline. You can come to the production house directly or come to where we sell. Case studies. This is an example of case studies that the owner used to run the business. Terms and conditions. Buyers who want to order Tumpang Lupis are required to know in advance the price, size of the tumpang, and content of the tumpang. If the buyer has read the first rule and want to submit an order, you can go to WA, IG, and FB from the owner. Or you can also come directly to the production sites, which is located at Tenglunan Hamlet. If fraud or other things occurs, the owner is not responsible for any loss suffered by the buyer. The manufacturing process can be carried out after the customer has paid 70% and cancellation can be made 2 days from the day of agreement. Buyers who choose the home delivery method will be charged a shipping fee depend on the distance between the production house and the customer's house. If the buyer buys Tumpang Lupis for a courier service, the entire responsibility for the delivery and maintaining product quality is the responsibility of the courier service. If the buyer violates the above provision, the buyer will be blacklisted from the buyer's list and will no longer be allowed to Tumpeng lupis. Payment can be made on the day of delivery. How to proceed? New style, old-time snack. Different from other tumpeng. Healthier and economical. With only 125, you can create family happiness. That's all my presentation. If there are any mistake in my presentation, I'm apologies, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.